So I'm actually the brand ambassador for CMPL. No, so I'm the regional director of Sondig Ray. We are a French agency specializing in brand strategy, packaging design, brand identity design, retail concepts and marketing for all kinds of brands across different industries. So that's what we do. I'm the regional director. I come with over 15 years of just design experience, and my main motive in life is to help startups, entrepreneurs kind of realize their vision through strategy and design. That's what I do. Yeah. I think it's great. For me, most of the trade shows that I have been to have been Bombay. Bombay based, there's been fantastic traction in Bombay. But I think Delhi definitely is a hot zone. I've seen a lot of startups in the whole Delhi zone, Delhi NCR area, especially in F&B, in pharmaceuticals, for example, in skincare. So I like the fact that CMPL is kind of expanding its geographic boundaries. Not every time you need to travel to Bombay for gaining insights on the new trends or looking at manufacturers or the right partners for building your brand. So I'm actually also quite surprised that the growth has been phenomenal, especially from last year to what it is this year. So yeah, I think it's been great. I think it's already bridged the gap quite a bit. I've got great traction from CMPL in general. I think it's not just for me. It's not just about finding the right network of people. It's also about gaining the right insights. And you know, the best part about CMPL for me is everyone's willing to help everyone. Like, people come to me and they want advice on legal, on manufacturing. I connect them to the right people. So the network is so generous for clients who are looking for solutions for branding, for manufacturing, from legal perspective, anything. So I think they're really helping in bridging the gap because the network itself is so strong and so interconnected itself. Yeah. I would say the one mantra that helps me is when I see what I do out there in the market. I think for me that's the biggest motivation to wake up every day and do my work even 10 times better. To see the brands I work with being successful, to see them being appreciated by consumers, I think that for me is my biggest motivation. Yeah, I would say dynamic, for sure. Dynamic is my favorite word, and definitely I really resonated with CMPL. That's why I keep coming back every single year to CMPL, be it Delhi or Bombay. So yeah, definitely.